If you want your PowerPoint slides to look polished, professional, and perfectly matched to your photos, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to match the background of your slides to your photos in PowerPoint using the Eyedropper tool. This is a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference when you want your presentation to look clean, consistent, and visually appealing. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is insert your photo into the slide. To do that, go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint, click Pictures, and then choose the image you want to use. You can insert a photo from your device and place it directly onto the slide. Once your image is on the slide, take a moment to position it where you want it. This photo, will be the reference point for the background color you're about to match. Now that the photo is in place, the next step is to open the background settings. To do that, right-click anywhere on the slide background, making sure you click the empty area and not the photo itself. From the menu that appears, click Format Background. This opens the background options on the right side of the screen, where you can change the fill type and customize the look of the slide. Next, choose the fill type that works best for your design. In most cases, you'll want to select solid fill. If you want a slightly more advanced look, you can also try gradient fill later, but for now, solid fill is the easiest place to start. Once solid fill is selected, look for the color option. Click the color drop-down arrow next to it, and then choose Eyedropper. This is the key tool that allows PowerPoint to sample a color directly from your photo. As soon as you click Eyedropper, your mouse pointer will change, and you'll be able to move it over your image. Carefully hover over the part of the photo that contains the color you want to match. This might be a background area, a wall, a sky tone, a fabric color, or any other section of the image that works well as a slide background. When you find the exact shade you want, click once to pick it. PowerPoint will automatically apply that sampled color to the slide background. And just like that, your background now matches your photo. This is a really effective way to make your slide feel unified instead of looking like separate elements were placed together. It works especially well for title slides, quote slides, product presentations, and social media style designs where you want the background to blend naturally with the image. If the color feels too strong or too dark, you can make a few optional adjustments. One of the easiest things to change is transparency. By increasing the transparency, you can soften the background and make it less intense. This can help keep your text readable while still preserving the color match from the photo. You can also try using gradient fill instead of solid fill if your image has multiple tones and you want a more dynamic background. With gradients, you can pick more than one color using the Eyedropper tool and create a smoother, more layered effect. This is a great option if your photo has shadows, highlights, or a natural color transition that you want to reflect in the slide design. A useful tip is to keep your text in mind while choosing the background color. If your photo is very bright, you may want to use a slightly darker sampled shade for better contrast. If the photo is dark, a lighter sampled color or a softer transparency setting may work better. The goal is not just to match the photo, but also to make sure your content is easy to read and your slide stays balanced. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue building the rest of your presentation using the same color style for consistency. That helps create a professional theme across multiple slides and makes your entire deck look more intentional. So that's how to match the background of your slides to photos in PowerPoint using the Eyedropper tool. It's fast, it's easy, and it's one of the best ways to make your slides look designed instead of basic. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tips, and check back for more simple tricks that can instantly improve your presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.